RoboVac 11S. RoboVac may be super slim at 2.85 inches, but it's packed with BoostIQ technology and up to 1300 PA of suction power to ensure your floors and carpets are clear of all dirt, dust, and crumbs. For optimal use, use on low-pile carpet, tile, laminate, and hardwood floors. Not suitable for high-pile carpet. Move cables out of the way to avoid entanglement. Note: compared to previous eufy RoboVac models, a larger 0.6-liter dustbin allows RoboVac to pick up more dirt and dust to take full advantage of 100 minutes of continuous cleaning and without the need for emptying in between. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Pure Power Puck. RoboVac 11S sucks up dirt and dust with 1300 PA of suction for a spotless clean you can see and feel. Number 2. Non-stop cleaning. Large wheels roll over carpets and climb over door ledges to get to the mess. Number 3. Zero attention needed. RoboVac uses drop sensing technology to avoid falling downstairs and off of ledges. Number 4. Always prepared to clean. RoboVac automatically returns to the charging base when power is low, ensuring it's always charged and ready to vacuum. Number 5. Triple filter system. RoboVac combines a dual-layer filter and one high-performance filter to achieve a clean home. Number 6. Automatic cleaning. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless, thorough clean while you do other things or nothing at all. Number 7. Endurance cleaning. RoboVac cleans up to 100 minutes per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean home from a single charge. Number 8. Large Dustbox. A large 0.6-liter Dustbox holds more dirt per clean to reduce the frequency of emptying. Number 9. All-new RoboVac. Re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac 2.85 inches, but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1300 PA. Number 10. BoostIQ Technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. Number 11. A quiet clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Number 12. Premium features. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. Number 13. What you get? RoboVac 11S. Remote control 2 AA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.